Hello and welcome to another video on C++. Today we're going to be learning about arrays. Arrays are an organized list of elements, all of the same type, and the elements are accessed by using an index. The index will need to be n-1 because the array starts at element 0. So, to start off with, we're going to make an array. So we're going to make int an array, and then using square brackets, and in the square brackets you put how long the array is. And then we're going to add, using a for loop, which we did previously, we're going to add int I equals 0, int is less than, go with 5, so we're going to have 5 numbers in our array. We're going to have obviously cout, please enter a number in line. Then we're going to use a cin, an array I. So what this does is it asks us for a number and it puts it into the array. That's all it does. Oh, I forgot the semicolon there. So enter a number, we'll go with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's it, that's all it does, and then obviously it returns 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to print off what we had. Well, first I'm going to add some new line characters, and then I'm going to show you another way to make an array. So we have int another array, and then obviously you see we don't have a number in the square brackets, and that's because we're going to make our own. So 1 number, 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, 6 numbers, 7 numbers, 8 numbers, 9 numbers, 10 numbers. So we'll go 10 numbers, that'll do, nice round number. And then we have to make another for loop. So for int I equals 0, I is less than 10, it's going to have to be 10 because another array has 10. And then obviously I is going to be going up by 1 each time. And then obviously we need the squiggly brackets, cout, your numbers are, and then we'll have another array, and then we'll put I in there just as we had done up here when we were putting it in values, and then we'll have the end line, and that should go through the entirety of this array and print out each of the numbers line after line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so 20, 15, 24, 84, 2, 54, 30, 69, 25, 74. And then obviously returning 0. As I said before, when you access an element it starts at 0. So just say we wanted to access the fifth element, we would need to put another array 4. Cout fifth element in line. So it's gonna, oops, I forgot the semicolon again. Enter a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's going to obviously go through all of the numbers in another array, and then obviously the fifth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is going to be 2, which is printed out at the bottom there. So that's it for this episode. I'll see you next episode.